Good evening, everyone. This is Passengers United, and today we're going to do a tour of the new 42nd Street Bryant Park passageway. So guys, this is the 6th Avenue station, 6th Avenue and 42nd Street. This is the 42nd Street Bryant Park station where you can get the B, D, F, M and 7. So we're now going downstairs and I'm gonna show you the ways you can transfer to the new Times Square complex. So when you come downstairs, you're gonna go straight all the way down and you will see the new passageway. So this is the B, D, F, M and 7, and you swipe your Metro card like I'm about to do. So now when you swipe your Metro card, this is where it gets pretty interesting, guys. You're gonna put your you're gonna come down the stairs. So now, as you can see, we're gonna go this way. So the new passageway is actually this way. It's towards the front of the Queens or Uptown bound train, and if you're on the downtown side, it would be towards the back of the Brooklyn bound downtown, or let's see, yeah, Brooklyn bound downtown. So this is the new entrance, guys. This is the exit. It says Times Square, 42nd Street and Broadway, and you can see it's the S, N, Q, R, W and 1, 2, 3. So this is the new entrance. So right now I'm in the front of the Queens bound train and the Uptown train, guys. Remember that, it's in the front. Now if you're going Brooklyn bound, it would be in the back over there. So we're gonna go up the steps. And remember, this entrance is only open from 6 a.m. till 11:59 p.m. Other times use the 7. Alright guys, so let's do this. So we go upstairs. And you can actually hear the rumble of the shuttle. So this is my first time as well doing this, and I have to say, wow, this is nice. They really did this up good, guys. And as you can see, if you want the downtown and Brooklyn B, D, F and M, remember it's going to leave you towards the back of the Brooklyn bound train, and that stairwell is right here. So we're gonna go straight. And again, just in case you're wondering, there's a help point over here. There's also a help point over there. There's also a surveillance camera there, which means you're safe. And there's cameras here, which is good. And then you have the advertising, which is nice. And then you have the artwork. And now it's going to show you. So it's actually going to show you the Broadway line on this board. Wow. So it's saying an Astoria bound train's coming in 1 minute, and there's another train coming in 6 minutes. So right now we're on the shuttle platform. This is the shuttle platform. So Times Square, 42nd Street and Broadway, S, N, Q, R, W, 1, 2, 3. So that's right here. Now that's where we just came from. So what's nice is on this side of the board, it tells you all the 6th Avenue departures. So Norwood to 5th Street is in 0 minute, Brighton Beach is in 3 minutes. So that's nice. And then remember, when you come on this side, you see the shuttle train pulling in. the people getting off the train, and then you see the signs for the NQ, R&W, 1, 2, 3, and 7, EC, AC, and E. So we're just going to go straight ahead. And this track over here is track number 1. So that's track number 1 here. And as you can see, they did heavy construction here, guys. Wow. They really fixed this up good. I gotta give Transit credit. The shuttle train has no more seats, as you can see. They've gotten rid of all the seats. And as you can see, this is the track that goes into the 1 line. Wow. And as you can see, you have New York City Transit personnel putting up all the signage. I think those are the new subway maps that they're putting up here, guys. So it says, "Welcome back, New York." How are you doing? How you doing? I'm Passengers United.
What's that?
Passengers United. You may have seen me on the news. I do a lot of advocacy for MTA. So these are the neighborhood map for the Times Square 42nd Street station. These are the local bus service maps, as you can see, and they're putting them up here. I think these are the new maps, guys. So it tells you where you are, and you see the customer information pilot, you have that. These are the new subway maps, I think. So as you can see, these two gentlemen here are working very hard, and they're putting this down so people can see. And that's a new subway map. And then you have the NQ and R is right over here, guys. So that is really nice, because if there's a subway disruption, let's say if the train is not running, you can just come up the NQR stairs, and then you could come right here. So it says there's a new turnstile entrance here, I think, and there's also an accessible elevator here for the NQRW, which is helpful. And then at this point, you know, the AC and E, all that stuff is on this side. So again, this has been Passengers United here live from Times Square. Thank you for joining.